Hello do-it-yourselfers. Today we are sealing in a smoke damage ceiling. Smoke damage requires shellac, which is a low viscosity priming product. So it would make a mess to roll and probably be dripping all over the place. Especially if applying it to a ceiling, spraying it is the best way to go. When spraying inside a finished area with any product, but especially with shellac, we will need to cover everything. We also need to remove any fan covers or can lights, like in this situation here. Once removed, it is best to tape off the inside so we don't get shellac on the fan motor or on any electrical components. Taping off the skylight is a sweaty job today. If you have never worked inside of a skylight cavity like this one, they trap heat, so it is a lot of fun. A tape masker set up like this one with plastic that unfolds is a lifesaver for stuff like this. You can easily get plastic like this that unfolds from 4 to 9 feet in length. We will be painting the walls at some point, so only the shower, lights, vanity, floor, and all the tile on the walls need to be covered. This is actually a fairly simple project today. Step 1, take things out of the room that can be easily removed. Step 2, turn the room into a plastic wonderland. And step 3, make the room smell really, really bad. Once the room looks like a hazmat containment zone, we are ready to get the sprayer and the shellac to work. I would highly recommend a quality mask with quality filters for this project. One mistake that can be easily avoided here is to use the toilet before it is completely wrapped up, especially since this was the only functioning bathroom in the house at the time. Getting a coat of the shellac on is the last thing to do. Use good spraying technique, which involves keeping the gun an appropriate distance from the target of application. Move at a proper and steady pace while the trigger is depressed and not spraying your cameraman. Try to have windows open nearby. As much ventilation as possible is ideal. Once the mask comes off, step outside and get some fresh air and let the shellac settle and dry. Breathing that stuff in is not good for you, and health is wealth after all. Hopefully none of you have to do this in your own house, because that would mean a fire has disrupted your normal routine, burned some part of your house, left smoke residue almost everywhere, resulting in your home being leveled down. And around here, we like to level up.